The door is closed, and I want to say good morning to everybody. In today's video, I'm going to give you a room tour, and this is the Magani Hotel, and I'm in the room right now. Without further ado, let's go. So this is what you're going to see. Flat screen TV here, and this must be the hotel amenities. There's some cup, electric kettle, some snacks, and this is the table. Let's check out what is under the desk table. There is a bar fridge in here. You can find there are some soft drink, ginseng, some snacks as well. Let me open it up on this side. This side is still empty, and then right there is a small trash can, big light in here. And check out this side here. Very nice thick couch with some cushion on it, and right there in the corner there is a table as well. Very nice lamp. I can see one flower over there. Check out the ceiling, it's so nice and smooth. And this is such a nice window here, glass window with double curtain. And this is the bed. Check out its bed in here. This is a king size bed. It's so pretty, flat, big pillow. There are 4 of them, and there are some cushion as well. And right there in the corner, it's a nightstand with telephones, beautiful light. And there is a box in here. I'm not so sure what kind of box. One more nightstand over there. Let me show you the ceiling. It's not so high, but it's so pretty on this front. It smells so good. And then there is one more flat screen TV in here. So they have 2 TVs so far. And right here there is a table. And over there is the balcony. I'm going to show you the balcony later on. I'm going to walk outside, but first I'm going to show you this first. And there is one more table in here, one chair, beautiful lamp, and let's see what's in there. This must be a space for your suitcase. There are a lot of room in here. And then check out on this side here. This must be the closet. Let me open it up. It's open, and you can find some clothes hanger over there. And this is the safety box and some drawer as well. Let me close it down again. Then let's take a look at this side over here. And this is a window. The window is still closed, and there is a mirror in here. And then over here is just some spaces. You can see there are towel, stool, nice couch, and this beautiful light. It's so pretty. You can find there's some towel over here as well. Might be for face, or I'm not so sure. And check this sink. It has double sink, beautiful faucet. There's some soap, shampoo here, toilet paper. And have a look at this mirror. It's such a large mirror, guys. And have a look at over there in the corner. There's some mineral water. It's in the bottle. And there's some drawer under the sink. I can see over there is a hair dryer, I believe. I'm gonna try to open this up. Let's see what's inside. I don't know how to open it. Well, it's open now. And this is just some spaces where you can put your stuff in here. And this is the toilet. It's so roomy. Toilet paper over there, hose, and there's some trash can in there as well. then next to the toilet is the bathroom. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Oh my gosh, it has big shower, small shower, and this is really beautiful, the most beautiful I have seen so far. And this shower is divided by the glass. And now I'm gonna take you to the balcony. Let's see what kind of views we can see from the balcony. And check this room, guys. It's so roomy. Yeah, this is the big window, and it has sliding door. You just, yeah, very easy to open, nice and smooth. Welcome to the balcony. And wow, check that out over there. It's pretty much like a bed. It's kind of thick cushion with beautiful. And I can see the swimming pool from here. So the swimming pool is over there, and this the views you can see from this balcony. And those are the rooms. I believe this hotel, it has 4 stories. And wow, check that out over there. There is a bathtub, guys. So it has bathtub on the balcony. Let's take a look. Well, I believe this is something like jacuzzi or something. Well, if you guys know about this, please put a comment down below. Really like to know about this. And let's check out downstairs. So downstairs is the swimming pool. And this swimming pool is kind of private, and it's belongs to the people who are staying in this room. So I want to show you guys one more time the views from here. Wow, but this is really wonderful. I would recommend it for you guys. The room I was just showing you is just over there. It's on the 2nd floor. And we're gonna take a look here a little bit before I walk down to the swimming pool. We're gonna see the swimming pool from this floor here. And there are some spaces here, sitting area, beautiful couch. And take a look at the table. It's so pretty, made of wood, and it's so round. And that is the swimming pool from this side over here. Wow. Let's take a walk down to the swimming pool. Alright, so I'm gonna walk down through this area. Let's go. Well, finally made it here to the swimming pool area. And this is the pool bar. The pool bar is open, and wow, this is so nice. Check this out. This is pretty. And this is just some sitting area in the lobby area. And this is the restaurant. Yeah. So this is the lobby area. I'm gonna show you the neighborhood around this hotel. Yeah, this is Melasti Street. It is around 11 a.m. now, and it's a little overcast. Have a look at the sky, it's so white. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
How you doing? Let's take a walk crossing the street. Straight over there is to the beach. I'm gonna walk down to the right over here, show you this street a little bit before I wrap up this video. And this street now is called Garlic Lane. Honestly, welcome to Garlic Lane, everybody. Hi, g'day.
Hey, how you going?
How you doing, everybody? Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, beautiful. Come on. And the art market is over there.
Oh, really?
Well, everyone, I want to say goodbye, and I'll see you again in my next video. I have tons of videos coming up. Have a great day, take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.